Now we will move to the chain rule. We have the formula of chain rule is d over dx fn f of x whole power n equals to n bracket f of x power n minus 1 dot f prime of x. Firstly, we take the derivative of outside of the function, then inner part of the function. Outside f of g of x derivative equals to f prime of x, f prime of g of x, then g prime of x. Let's see the example. Chain rule. Chain rule also, this is discussed before this. Now we have like this, d over dx equals to dy over du over dx. Here we introduce another variable u, then we let y function equals to u, then we derivate with u. We have an example, so you will clear this formula. If we have y equals to 1 plus t or 1 plus u, then we take these things. It will be discussed next on slide. First of all, we use this formula, mostly use this formula, so we will discuss this. D over dx x square plus 5 bracket 8. 8 is the power. We know, first of all, we take derivative of outer function, like 8 multiply in here, 8 multiply with here, then it become x square plus 5. It remains same, and 8 minus 1, like this formula, 8 f of x, 8 minus 1 is 7, then taking derivative of x square plus 5, then it become 2x plus constant is 0, so 2x. Then we multiply, 2 multiply 8 is 16x, bracket x square plus 5 whole power 7. Or we can also do this formula like this, y equals to u8. We let this x square plus 5 equals to u, then y become y equals to u8. D over dy du. Now we find dy over du, so it become 8u7. Then we take derivative of du over dx. This function, u is this function, so you derive this function, d over dx, then it become 2x. Then multiply both values, dy over dx value and du over dx value, then it becomes 16x x square plus 7 whole 7. 16x bracket x square plus 7 power is 7. We have another example, f prime of x equals to ln bracket x square minus 1. We are taking derivative of this function. First of all, outer part of the function. So ln x, we know 1 equals to 1 over x. So we have x square minus 1 in place of x. It becomes 1 over x square minus 1, taking derivative of outer values. Then we derivate of inner part of the function, x square minus 1, it become 2x, because minus 1 is constant and constant derivative is 0. Now we have another example, y equals to ln x square. We know the derivative of ln is 1 over x square. Then we take derivative of x square, it become 2x. So our answer is 2x over x square. X will be cancelled with square, it become 2 over x. Or we can do u equals to x square, then taking derivative of this, du over dx equals to 2x, and let y equals to ln u. Taking derivative of dy over du equals to 1 over u. dy over dx equals to dy over du over dx. It is equals to 1 over u, 2x. Putting the value of u, it become 1 over x square, multiply 2x, x will be cancelled, and our answer 2x. Answer is same of both methods. You can choose this method or you can do also this method. Now we derivate y equals to ln square x. Now we're taking derivative of this. It becomes 2 ln x because power multiply here and minus 1 power minus 1, then it becomes 2 ln x. Now we're taking derivative of x. It become taking derivative of ln x. It become 1 over x. So our answer is 2 ln x over x. Or we can solve like this. Let u equals to ln x. Then taking derivative of dg over dx, it is equals to 1 over x. Y equals to u square. Taking derivative of dy over dg equals to 2u. Multiply both answers. It becomes dg multiply 1 over x. Then our answer is 2 ln x over x.